Let's work two more examples of adding positive and negative integers. The first problem we have is 49 plus negative 87. The procedure we learned was to take the larger absolute value, so in this case that's going to be 87 because the absolute value of negative 87 is 87, minus 49 because the absolute value of 49 is simply 49. 87 minus 49 is 42. We're almost done. Of my two original numbers, negative 87 had the larger absolute value, so my answer has to be negative. So the answer is negative 42. We are done. And that is exactly the amount of work I would like to see from you, either on the assessment or on your homework. Let's take a look at the second problem. Negative 38 plus 99. Again, I take the larger absolute value, and 99 has the larger absolute value, minus the smaller absolute value, and negative 38 has a smaller absolute value. 99 minus 38 is 61. 99 had the larger absolute value and it's positive, so my answer is positive. I'm finished. And that's as much as you need to show me. Now, one thing you might notice here is that whenever we have a smaller negative number, when the absolute value of the negative number is less than the absolute value of the positive number, it just becomes a standard subtraction problem. Negative 38 plus 99 just became the same as 99 minus 38. Let's take a look at a couple more examples like that. What if I had negative 57 plus 103? Now I take the larger absolute value, that's going to be 103. I subtract the smaller absolute value, that's 57. 103 minus 57 is 46. Because the positive number had that larger absolute value, my answer is positive. I'm finished. So that's something else you might notice to make your work a little easier. Now, I have shown you a process for thinking these problems through and completing them. After you become comfortable with them, you will do this without even thinking about it. In fact, you might already be there, but I am wanting to see this on the assessment and on your homework. And I think with that, we are finished.